So guys, this is feijoa. So it's from New Zealand and this is Mr.'s favorite. Paborito ni Mr. This is not guava. This is feijoa.
It's like a type of guava.
Yeah, it's a family of the guava. And buksan ko siya kung anong laman nito. Papakita ko sa inyo, of course. So, your favorite, this one? This is Mr.'s favorite. Oh, ayan siya. So, okay, scoop it for me. So, meron tayong napulot sa kapitbahay na feijoa. So, meron silang feijoa tray at sabi nila, pwede na akong tumulot sa lupa. So delicious. It's a bit maasim. What does it taste like? Sweetish na maasim. So that's what feijoa tastes like. So
Very yummy.
So ito ay galing sa kapitbahay. This is from the neighbor and sabi nga nila pwede kami mamitas daw. So we pick some under the ground. So andun siya sa ground, no? So ayan, fresh feijoa from the neighbor. So pwede mo siyang balatan pag ganon. Tapos i-scoop mo yung inside niya with spoon, and then pwede mo ring i-ganon. How do you eat it, baby? The New Zealand way. How do you squeeze like that. So i-squeeze mo lang. Nalambot sa loob ng balat. Pag wala ka ng time ng kutsara, i-squeeze mo lang siya. Make sure lang hugasan mo siya, no? So, ayan yung feijoa from New Zealand.